this is the first core topic, loss of indices, super hard question. Okay, so as you can see, 8 to the power 222 times 5 to the power 666. So how to simplify it? Which is the correct answer? So let me tell you how to do it. First of all, we need to change the number, the base here. This is base 8, this is base 5. So base 5 is a prime number. So do you remember what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are the natural number which has only two factors, which are 1 and itself. For example, prime numbers, 2 is a prime number because 2 has only the factor 1 and 2. 3 is a prime number because 3 has only 1 and 3 as its factors. 5 is a prime numbers because 5 has only 1 and 5 as its factor. 7 is a prime number because 7 has only 1 and 7 as its vector. 9 is not a prime number because 9 has factor 1, 3, and 9. More than 2 factors. So this is not a prime number. 4 is not a prime number because 4 has the factor 1, 2, and 4. 6 is not a prime number because 6 has 1, 2, 3, and 6, 4 factors. Okay, so do you know what is a prime number? Do you know how to determine what is a prime number now? Okay, so 5 is a prime number. So for prime number, we cannot simplify anymore. So we just write down 5 to the power 666. But 8 is not a prime number. So as you can see, 8 can be divided by 2 equal to 4. 4 can be divided by 2, you get 2 left. So A equal to 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 to the power 3. So here the base, I can change it into 2 to the power 3, bracket to the power 222. So for A to the power m, bracket to the power n, we can have A to the power m times n. Here, 2 to the power 3, bracket to the power 222. So we can write it down as, we can rewrite it as 2 to the power 3 times 222. So which is 2 to the power 666. Therefore, the first part we can write 2 to the power 666 times 5 to the power 666. So here, they have the same power. For same power, A to the power n times B to the power n. Same power, you can group them together. A times B to the power n. Okay, so you can put the base 2 times 5 together. And then to the same power, 666. 2 times 5, which is 10. 10 to the power 666. So the answer should be A. That's it.